Hello guys, today we are going to see one example for how to use Vlookup function. Now here we are having two tabs in one Excel file. And consider you can put completely different Excel file also, but this is example that I'm explaining with two different tabs in a same Excel file. In the tab number 1, I have two columns ID and ID text. ID column contains the 1, 2, 3, 4 in the numeric digits, and ID text is it's their text conversion. Same thing on the tab 2, the number 1, I have two different columns. The column names are different compared to the tab 1. Remember that here ID and ID text. Here I am having number and number text. There is no I would say requirement, or there is no dependency on VLOOKUP function whether the column name has to be same or not. But the underlying data has to present some common field. Here if you see number NO is having numeric digit like 134. The same thing over here, ID also containing the 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can compare and we can basically match this particular field, whatever the matching value on the other side, and we can put some value over here. So for example, we are going to map here 1 associated with ONE and 3 associated with THREE. So what I'm going to do here, I want actually this is, suppose if I want to put the manual way, I have to put 1 here, I have to put 3 here, I have to put 4 here. That is manual. But you can do all those things automated way also, right? This is a manual way, and now suppose we are doing the automated way, because we don't know how many number of rows that we are matching, and maybe the list is very big, so it is very difficult for you to do manual task also. Automated way, right? Or VLOOKUP way. Let me put that VLOOKUP way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first of all write the formula VLOOKUP, and my first column is the joining column of this particular row itself. So here I'm trying to map NO over here of the ID of the other tab. So I'm going to select this guy. I'm putting the comma over here. Now to the table array. Table array is the array that I want to compare with and get the value from. So let me go to tab 1 over here. Here my table is from starting from here and ending here, and I'm comparing the first column and getting the second column value. Remember that why I'm saying the second column value, because there is a third parameter. So first column is the mapping, second column is the value that I want to return. So we'll go to my here. Now I'm going to the tab. It says too many short value. We need to add more value also here, so that is fine. Okay, so here we are putting the column index. We need to return the second column from the our selection list from the tab 1. So there is a second column, and the last one is a false or true. Suppose you want to match the exact value of that particular first column of NO to ID, that means you have to put the false. False means exact match, no approximation. So when I do this thing, automatically it brings the 1 over here. Consider if you are having thousands of rows, you can still immediately do in the same way. I'm just extending this thing, so automatically it will read and it will give me that kind of lookup. This is a short example of how to use the lookup functions, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.